Destiny Weisenberger, Kaylin Wilkes, JaLeya Wood.
So go. Alright, so like I said, we always do our thing anyway, but every year you guys have awards assemblies or whatever, and y'all missed out on all that. This year, y'all don't have to move.
Yeah, we do have a concert
Yeah,
tonight.
pretty much. I won't be able to turn out. But anyway, so you didn't get to experience that, and she had to miss her actual physical promotion. So y'all know your creative mom and Aunt Steffi.
Are we getting promoted? Can I be last?
So this is a certificate of promotion. Our congratulations to JaLeya Wood for promoting to 12th grade with determination at Miss Mom Wood's Quarantine High School. Woo!
Yeah! Yeah! 2021! Yeah!
Up next, we have a certificate of promotion. Our congratulations to Gemini Wood for promoting to the 12th grade with determination at Miss Mom Wood's Quarantine High School.
Yeah!
Up next, this is a working man, so he's not here today. So I will ask his sister to kindly come up and collect his and hers promotion to 12th grade with determination at Mr. Pawpaw and Mrs. Mimi Wood's Quarantine High School, Zachariah and Zaire Wood.
Too close.
And next we have the certificate of promotion. Our congratulations to Zanaya Wood for promoting to the 10th grade with determination at Mrs. Mimi Wood's Quarantine High School. And next we have certificate of promotion. Our congratulations to Zakaya Wood for promoting to 8th grade with determination at Mr. Pawpaw Wood's Quarantine Middle School. Ooh. Okay. Look, you know something we all know? Alright, so I'm saving her for last. Yeah. I just did out.
Wait, is this a participation award?
Yeah, do we all do this?
Well, I didn't know about y'all's attendance, so. Miss Mom Wood's Quarantine School, JaLeya Wood for having perfect attendance throughout remote learning 2020. And Gemini Wood.
I skipped a few days.
Jackson don't like that.
I missed so much.
You know, that's going on, you know. I'm recording that. Alright, and we also have JaLeya Wood for perfect attendance at remote learning 2020. Alright, so like I said, in honor of our hard-working, attitude-having at times,
You love my house.
we have, nope, you can't do that one yet, certificate for best last-minute motivation performance of the year goes to JaLeya Wood. No, you don't shake my hand no more. It's hot. Then we have this one for completing the 8th grade in less than a week.
Yeah, stay up there. Go beside him.
Then we have the Academic Achievement Award. This award goes to JaLeya Wood for being promoted to her freshman year in high school. And while she's on her way, we can just say this is a certificate of graduation. Our congratulations to JaLeya Wood for graduating with determination at Miss Mom Wood's Quarantine Middle School. Alright kids, I love you. I'm very proud of you. I don't know what y'all did down here, but whatever you did to try your best, good job. My kids, y'all already know how I feel. School's
It's summertime.
summer.
Summertime.
Sweet goes to Miss Wood, Mom, and Mimi, and Z Papa. Right. These are all of our promoters, or you know what I mean. Kids going to different grades. How about that? We're missing one, but we'll get a big picture of him later. God bless.